Here's how you can make a client dashboard by using Softr with using no codes. If you want to create a client dashboard but don't know any sort of coding, this is how you can do it by using the Softr website. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for Softr. Once you click on the first link, you would need to sign up or log in with that account. If you already have an account, just click on sign in. If you don't have one, sign up. You need to add in your full name, your email, and a password, and you'll also need to accept the terms and condition in order to sign up. Or you can just sign in with your SSO or your Google account. You'll be directed to this page where you'll need to select how you want to create your first app. For example, you can start it from scratch with a template or generate with AI. Now, you would think that generating with AI would be the best option to go for here, and you're not wrong. But that way, you would need to add up the best prompts in order to create the most professional and the best dashboard for you. If you're a new one, the easier way is to start with a template, so click on it. You'll see all of the templates here. Here, you would need to find the best template that works for you and your business. For example, in this case, we want a client portal or a client dashboard. As you can see, there is a client portal. You can find any other one, whichever suits the best for you. I'm just going to use this one for an example. Once you find the one that you want to use, you can click on open preview in order to see a preview of what the site would look, or just click on use template. And now you'll be directed to the main workspace where you can edit the whole website according to your own data. As you can see, it has different tabs. If you want to change the names or anything from these tabs, you can edit it from here. If you want to edit a component, just click on it and you'd be able to easily edit that component. You can look at all the pages, themes, or settings from the left side. If you want to add any other thing, you can just click on the plus option in order to add any more pages. You can click on the data tab in order to see the data that you use inside this app. And also you can click on the users in order to see the authentication, the users, the user groups, the data restrictions, and the notifications of your dashboard. Once you're done editing your website, you can click on preview if you want to look at how things are looking. Also, you can change the view into a tablet view or a mobile view from here. Once you're done doing all that, click on publish from the top right corner, and that is how you can successfully create a client dashboard by using Softr, which is as easy as you think. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.